How to make compost with a compost tumbler. Compost is an essential soil nutrient for serious gardeners. Making compost can include a risk of animals getting into your compost pile as it decomposes. A compost tumbler solves this problem, because it is sealed and animals can't get inside. It also has the added benefit of decomposing the compost faster, by keeping the compost aerated. A tumbler will break up the compost as it is rolled so you don't have clumps. Add items to the compost tumbler that you would normally put in a compost pile. Leaves, grass clippings, leftover produce and food waste are all items that can safely be added to your compost. Rotate or roll the compost tumbler at least once daily to mix all the ingredients and to aerate the compost. The tumbler conserves heat, which helps break down the contents faster. Having compost in a sealed container keeps the smell down as well. Remove the compost after about 10 weeks in the tumbler. At this time, the compost will be ready for your garden. Add more items back into the compost tumbler to start the process again. Compost can be made year-round, so you have a constant supply.